Welcome to this demonstration of how we might use the function called hour. We've seen how Excel uses time, and we know that it's a decimal and that all times generally fall between 0 and 1. So 0.5, as we said, is 12 o'clock midday, and 0.75 is 6 o'clock in the evening. What this function does, is very similar to what we did with the date. It actually dissects or separates out parts of a date, and it's got some sister functions, minute and second, that work in exactly the same way. So it would look at a time, and by using minute or second or hour, we can actually break that time down into its constituent parts. So as an example, let me put a time in. I don't know what this number will represent, but put 0.56. I'm going to turn it into a time format, and there we are. It's 26 minutes past 1 and 24 seconds after that time. What I want to do is just extract the hour part of that time. So I'll start to build my function statement by pressing that equal sign and start to type in the name of the function. There we go. And it returns the hour as a number. 0 is 12 AM and 23 is 11 o'clock PM. Give it a double click, and again it's only got the one argument, and it's actually asking me for the argument in the cell A4, and I'll close those brackets off, and as we would expect, it's returned the hour part of that. If I now want to take the minutes part, it'll be equals, let's find the minutes, there we go, equals minute of that same cell A4, close the bracket, and there we go. It's telling me it's 26. That's the middle part, the minutes part, and finally we'll look at the seconds. Close the brackets, and there we go. So the time that I put in as a decimal, I'll change that back to a decimal, 0.56 is actually 24 seconds, 26 minutes, and that time there.